brutally butchered by evil, senseless, and cruel. You were young and innocent. You did not deserve to die like that. How do we say rest in peace when you were made to suffer like that? May the good Lord and the angels of heaven be with your souls till we meet again.
Lokubulawa kwalezi ingane kushiyekile amalungu omphakathi athi nawo asesabela impilo yawo.
The worst kind of sadness is not being able to explain why. That's the sickness.
Umphakathi ufuna kubizwe imbizo yomphakathi ezobhekana ngqo nenkinga yobugebengu kule ndawo.
I think in the immediate there should be a crime summit that should happen in White City, if not in White City, in Ward 37, if not in Ward 37, in Zone 9, to make sure that these issues of crime are really looked at and we zoom in on the issues that are there.
Undunankulu waseGauteng uthi intsolo zokuthi lokukhohlakala kwenziwe isihlobo somunye walabafana ziyathusa.
The senseless killing of children is a tragedy that shakes us to the core and leaves us with a deep sense of grief and sadness. To the families, as the department, we are here today to share a message that your pain is our pain.
Abasolwa bazovela enkantolo ngoLwesihlanu.